This elegant and practical table folds away quickly and neatly into a steel reinforced plywood box for storage or transport. This video illustrates how to set it up. Lift the folded table out of its box and set down with the scroll legs uppermost. Undo the nylon webbing strap that holds the legs in place when folded up. Lift the scroll legs into position and then place the table onto one side, as illustrated. Loosely fold up and tuck away the leg's retaining strap. Secure into place the leg steadying bar. This vital component has two tapered steel spikes that must be securely inserted into their brackets on each scroll leg. With the table on its feet, undo the nylon strap holding the two wing tops. Lever out the angle brackets which support the wing tops, and with each top in place, slide each bracket into its retaining slot on the wing top steel frame. The brackets on one side are kept in their folded position by turn stops, which must be turned to release them as illustrated. The scroll leg fold-up dining table is ready.